everyone. Good afternoon. Hello. Uh, Good afternoon, Prithvi. Is this Prithvi or Pavan? Hi, Kenzie. How are you? Good afternoon. So today we'll be learning how to make a small incense burner holder. Okay. So let us wait for few more members, and please message in group that live has started. Anyone please do a message in the group that live has started. So today the materials I'll be using are molded. Hi Bindu ma'am. Good afternoon. Thank you, Kenzie. So the materials I'm using today, is everything visible? Am I audible? My voice is audible, right? Can everyone hear my voice properly? Should I speak louder? Sorry, today there might be some disturbance because my baby boy is no, awake today. Please let me know whether my voice is okay or should I speak louder. Thank you, Shravani, ma'am. So these are the materials I'll use today. Mold it. Mold it. I have 3 packs with me and acrylic colors, and I'm taking this bottle. Just for a base, you can take a gum bottle, Fevicol bottle. This Fevicol bottle, I'm using Fevicol bottle, or you can use this type of small glass also. This type of small glass also you can use. And I'll be using this powder, talcum powder you can use. You can use talcum powder. So please forgive me for today. I think there will be some disturbance because my baby boy is awake today. Every day he'll sleep at this time, but today he woke so early. No one is there to see. Alternative is M-Seal. You can take M-Seal for this. As already we have discussed, like in case Mauldit is not available, you can just take M-Seal for this. You can use M-Seal. So I'll wait for 2 more minutes. So I'll just start the class. Today you people, uh, yeah, black M-Seal you can use, no problem. But for that first you need to color white acrylic color and then do the other colors. For Mauldit directly we can color with the different colors because Mauldit will be in white color, but for M-Seal will be in black color. That is the reason we need to just coat one coat of white acrylic color and then use other colors. So today you can't do with me because Mauldit will not dry. So just carefully listen what I am doing. You can do it with me, but you need to take some time because the clay should dry, right? So it should be left over behind till 3 hours or 4 hours at least. Then only clay will get harder. Till then you should not touch. So okay, fine, let us start then. So first I'll take this bottle, or you can take a glass. Okay, let us start. Shall I start now? Okay. So I'm taking this bottle and I'll just open this, mold it. We'll have two packets in one pack. One pack. In this pack, we'll have two packets. Okay, we'll have two packets. You need to mix up this two packets at a time with equal portions, right? Equal portions you need to mix up. Equal portions you need to mix up. Before that, take a plastic cover and keep it as a base. Okay, take a plastic cover and keep it as a base. So now take some powder, apply it to your hands, and then I'm mixing up the whole packet at once only because I will require more amount of mold it. So just mix it up until you will get complete white. You should get complete white until, see, in this way it should not be. It should be in complete white color. Till then you need to mix. Make sure you take this powder in your hands because it will stick to our hands. Mix thoroughly. See, it's completely white now. See. So now I'll just make it a round, like चपाती वाला राउंड होता है ना, ऐसे मैं राउंड करती हूँ और I'll make just as chapati I'll do that way only now. See, I'm just taking one stick. This is a brush actually, and I'll just do this. How? See, I'm just doing this as in chapati one mix. See, just make it soft. See, all sides I'm just doing this in this way. Are you able to see, right? Are you able to understand? Please let me know if you're not understanding. I'll just clarify. See, I have made this way, and I'm just taking a knife. I'll just take a knife. It should be not more thick or more thin. It should be in middle. So just make it till see in this way. Now just cut it. అన్న లేడురా లేడు in this way make a rectangular shape. See, make a rectangular shape, and I'm just taking this bottle, and I'll take some powder. And take some powder. You can also take Vaseline or anything, and our baby oil. You can also use baby oil, and you just rub on this. Okay, then you this way round it. only half round came, so to fill this one I'll do again. ఏంటి? Sorry, I'll again just make a round. Again make a round and again do the same. See, I need to fill this. See, I need to fill this one, okay? All able to watch, right? Are you able to watch what I'm doing? Everyone is able to watch what I'm doing? Please, if you have any doubt, please let me. In this way. Again. Cut this and just stick over here, okay? In this way. Okay, now see, I have stick in a circular way, right? So make sure that you apply powder or Vaseline. Hello Urvashi ma'am, good afternoon. Make sure you apply a Vaseline or a baby oil or powder before you do this, okay? Then it will be easy for you to remove. See, it's coming, right? In this way it will come. See, it's coming. See, in that way it should come, okay? So you just need to apply some baby powder or some powder before, oil or anything before you do. See, it came. See, it came like this. In this way it will come. See, easily, okay? I'll again apply this. So it should be easy for you to take it away also. So that's the reason I'm just showing you how to take, okay? In this way you need to just fill it and leave it aside for at least 4 hours. You need to leave it aside for at least 4 hours, okay? You need to leave it at least for 4 hours aside, or else you should not even touch it. It will not come out properly if you touch it, okay? So I'll keep this aside. See, this way I'll keep this aside. So after that I'll just show you how to. See, actually I'll show you what we are making now. See, this one we are making now. See, this one we are making now. See, this one separately and this one should be separately done. So I just told you the circular one, right? The circular one is for this one, this portion. This portion is circular one. After that you just need to keep this over, okay? Now I'll just show you how to keep that over. Because in one class we can't just say this clay work. This can't be just done in one class. That's the reason I just so again you need to take another pack of mold it. You need to just take another pack of mold it and then take a half amount of it, half amount of mold it. See, I'm just mixing it up. Half amount of mold it, I'll mix it up. For this I have told you, right? For this I have told you, this one you just take that from that bottle, and upper part I'll just say you very easily. This one is a bit bigger one, which I have shown you now. That is a bit bigger one. I'll just show you small one which will be easy for you to do. Okay. So just make it a round. See, I have made it a round, perfect round, right? I have just made it a perfect round and I am just pressing it over. I'm just pressing it over so that it will be in some pattern it will form. It will form a pattern over here. See, it will form a pattern. See. Now you just take a bottle and keep it over it in this way. See, you just keep it over the acrylic bottle है ना हमारे पास, जो acrylic कलर्स का बॉटल होता है ना, वो लेके ऐसे रखिए उस पे, उसके ऊपर. ओके, ऐसे रखिए उसके ऊपर और just take a sketch or a pencil and just make a hole in between. सी, ऐसे होल बनाइए. दिख रहा है ना आप लोगों को? ऐसे होल बनाइए. सी, I had made a hole. See, I had made a hole in between. In between I had made a hole. Now take some more clay. See, take some clay and just with your hands make it in a rectangular shape. See, now apply some powder to the pen or a pencil. Your wish. Apply some powder, then just roll it over it. roll it over it. Okay, and leave it aside. Just keep it this way and leave it. Okay, see in this way you just keep it and leave it aside. So it should be coming out. See, it's coming out right in that way.
అమ్మా పైన లీక్ వస్తుంది వాటరా వచ్చేది ఉన్నారా బాబు
So in this way
పైన లీక్
you
వస్తుందా
just need to
వాటర్ కంప్లీట్ వచ్చింది లీక్ వస్తుందా పైన ట్యాంక్ దగ్గర
అప్పుడప్పుడు అదే ఇది అవుతుంది సీపేజ్ అవుతుంది
చూస్తానా
So in this way you just need to make this and keep it aside for drying it up. Okay, now see this one and this one you just need to stick it. This one you should need to keep it over this and you need to stick it up after it dries. Then you just need to take this off and stick it over this hole. Okay, like this you need to stick it over the hole. See, you can see right how I sticked it. I'll just keep it this way on the hole. So after that you just need to make a plate where you will keep it. See, I just said you how to make this and this one and this one now, right? Now you can easily make this, right? You can easily make this one. So I'll show you another one which I have made right today. See, it did not dry up till now. See this one. See, this did not dry up till now, but it is coming out. See, I can't take it because it is still not that dried up. See, I removed this. A bit it have dried. See, I'll just keep it on a plate and on that I'll just keep a cap. See, this cap I'll keep it over here. See, and down I'll keep a stick. This stick where you use to pujas and everything, that I'll keep it down and smoke will come out from here. I'll just show you a demo. Till then it will dry. Sorry if I am not able to say properly today. I'm really sorry. So did you understand right how I did this all? Please let me know if you are not understanding. Are you understanding how I am doing this all? See, this one I kept around the bottle and on that this one, and I made a hole, and on that I kept this by wrapping it round a pencil. Okay, so I'll just show you the demo how it will work, how an Bunsen burner actually work. See, I'm just taking this Bunsen burner. See, in this way I lighten up this doop stick. Small wala. We can also make a backflow incense burner. That will be a bit complicated for the children. So I just thought of saying this one. See, in this way you just keep this on this one, and just you can just see. You are able to see how it is coming out, as if something cooking is going on inside, right? See, everyone is able to see, right? How it is coming. See, in this way you can use this incense burner. See, you can just keep it in home, and you can just keep it as a showpiece. Everyone will think from where the smoke is coming. So this is the incense burner holder. So right now I'll just show you, because we can't just make that hold right now. I'm just not able to teach properly. See, this is how it works. So I'll try to take it out. 1 second. It's not dried up. I don't know. Okay, I'll just, after doing this, you just need to color it up. Okay, now see, this one also, it's very easy. See, this one also, smoke will come from here, from the mouth. So I'll just teach you how to color it. See, you'll take this one, right? This one is not stable yet. See, you just need to take this and make it stand like this. On that, you just need to keep this one. See, you're able to see, right? My house is falling down. So down of that, I just need to keep this one. This type of thing I just need to keep. This type of plate I need to keep down. So on that, I'll just keep this one. Okay. So then we can just you just need to stick this to this one. To this one, you just need to stick this one. Upper part of the house, you just need to stick with Fevicol. You need to stick with the Fevicol, okay? Or else, it will not, like smoke will lose easily go away. So you should not leave that. You should not leave any part. You should completely close. You should check whether there is any leakage, and you should cover with the mold it again. If there is any leakage, you just need to take small pieces of mold it, and you can just cover it with it. See, like if you have any breakage over here, you just take small amount of mold it and just keep it over here like this. Over. See, in this, oh, in this way it is over. It will close the hole over there. So this way you need to do. So I'll just say you how to color it. It is normally coloring only. You just need to take the brushes here. See, I'll just color this one. I'll just color this one. You can just take a skin color and just see, skin color I'm taking and I'm just painting. So you just take some skin color and you just need to do this in this way. And don't worry, I'll just keep videos how it is working also. I'll just make it and keep videos. It will take at least 4 hours to dry up. At least 4 hours. You should keep aside because this is a thin layer. You just need to keep it aside for at least 4 hours. At least 4 hours you need to keep it aside. Okay?
అమ్మా దా పైన పైపు లీక్ అవుతుంది తోడు చెట్ట చేసి తగ్గిపోద్దా
Sorry for the disturbance today happening. There is lot of disturbance today. Sorry.
వాటర్ సారీ 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 అదే వెళ్ళిపోయా
See, this way I have just painted skin color. I have only given one eye to the molded. So I'm just painting this brown color
అలా వస్తుంది చూసావా
to the lips.
దగ్గర దానివల్ల సీపీ తప్పుతుంది ఓకే ప్రిపేర్ ఉన్నారు
లేదు తేలేదు ఇంటికి సరే రావట్లేదు
ఓకే
See, I have just painted this brown color to the so in this way I have painted brown color. Now I'll be painting some black color to the eye. Okay, just think different, like you can add some different colors, different shades and all. You can just make this one differently, or not only skin color, you can just take any color. You can just take red color and on that you can just give orange lips or yellow lips. It will look different. So I'll just shade it up with some brown red color. This looks like a devil, right? Something. See, like smoke devil. See. See, I'll just show the demo to you. I'll just stick the cap to it. 1 second. It's still not that good. Just stick the cap so that no smoke releases outside. There should not be any gap. In that way, you need to stick this one. This is not a dried. That's the reason it's just. So now you can just make this type of plate over here, and I'll just show you the demo. I don't know whether it will come perfectly or no, because my thing is not that good today. Like it's not dried up till. See. No, it's not properly sealed up upside. See? See? It's not properly sealed up upside. I need to work on it. If I close this way, I'll just, you can just see the smoke coming from here. 1 second, I'll just show you. See. See. Got it? I just closed with my hand completely. So this is not dried up. It's the reason, that's the reason. It's bending. I just closed here. So from so see, from here you'll get the smoke. See, so this is how we should make a small incense burner. Sorry, could not do this perfectly. I'll just do it perfectly and I'll just post the video how it is working to you again. So for today, sorry, and let's wind it up. Thank you. Thank you for being patiently and looking. Thank you. Have a nice day. I'm finishing it up. If you have any doubt, please let me know. Please let me know through any through a personal message, or like if you're doing, then let me know if you have any doubt and anything. I'll just again do it perfectly and I'll send you. Okay, fine, thank you. I'm finishing it.